I'm going to do a quick video on how to remove the slide cover today. The slide cover is on the very back of your Glock. What we're going to do first is we're going to take the clip out. I'm going to check the weapon, make sure that there's nothing in it. I'm going to remove the slide by pulling the trigger. I'm going to pull back on the slide a little bit, press down on the slide release, and if your trigger re-engages like mine did just then, if you squeeze on the trigger, keep holding down the slide release and push forward with your thumb, the slide will come off the gun. The next step I want to do is I want to remove the spring. I'll remove the barrel. Now on the inside, where your firing pin is right here, this is spring loaded in here. What you want to do is you want to take a small flathead, press in so you're taking the pressure off the spring. Okay, when you're pressing in, set your slide, press down, take your thumb, press down towards the table, and slide it towards the bottom of the gun. Keep your thumb over the back until it's all the way off. I've still got my screwdriver in place. I'm going to take my thumb and put it over the end. Since this is spring loaded, if you're not careful, that will fly out and you will be looking for pieces of your gun all over the place. Once you get that out, you take your new slide cover. I just press it down with my thumb. Take the slide cover, slide it about halfway up, will hold the firing pin spring in place. Once you've got the firing pin spring in place, press down on the other spring in the top corner. As you're holding it down, slide this up. Once you get past that, you can pull your tool out, slide it up, and it'll click in place. You've just replaced the slide cap. Next step, put your barrel back in, put the spring back in, and the last thing we want to do is we want to put the slide on, line up your pins with the slide guides, straight back. Once you get it on there, rack it like you're going to rack around, and I usually just test fire it a couple times to make sure everything went in place. Everything's good to go. That's all there is to changing the slide cap. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Please like the video.